Hi, it's Sue here from Choose Wellbeing. If your pet has had a busy or active day, you may notice they're a little stiff, a little slower to get up, a bit unsettled, or not quite as comfortable as they usually are. This sometimes happens after a longer walk, a training session, some agility, travelling, playing, or simply doing more than usual. In this video, I'm talking about how Photizo Vetcare and Silent Vetcare may support pets after activity, especially where comfort, inflammation, pain relief, recovery, and ongoing care at home are part of the picture. This is not a replacement for vet advice, but it can be a very useful tool alongside the care your pet is already receiving. Recovery is not just something pets need after injury or surgery, it's part of everyday life too. A young fit dog may bounce back quickly after a busy day, but an older pet or one with arthritis, stiffness, soft tissue issues, or mobility problems may need more support. You might notice stiffness after rest, reluctance to jump, hesitation, or difficulty getting comfortable. You know your pet best. If something is sudden, severe, new, or worrying, please speak to your vet. Photizo Vetcare is a handheld red light therapy device designed for animal use. It uses red and near infrared light to support the body's natural repair processes. In simple terms, it may help support tissues, increase comfort, deal with inflammation, and help with recovery. It is non-invasive, easy to use, and it doesn't involve needles, massage, or manipulation. Photizo Vetcare is used by pet owners at home as well as by animal care professionals, therapists, and rehabilitation practitioners. One of the best ways to think about Photizo is as a support tool. It can be used after activity, as I've said, for older pets, for stiffness, mobility issues, or ongoing home care, but also it can be used between professional treatments such as laser therapy, physiotherapy, hydrotherapy, massage, or vet rehabilitation. It does not replace your vet or professional treatment, but it can help you continue gentle support at home between appointments. So you might use Photizo after a longer walk or an active day out, as I've said, and it can also be useful for pets with known areas of stiffness or discomfort who benefit from regular support. The key is to be sensible and observant. If your pet is suddenly lame, swollen, distressed, or behaving differently, that needs vet attention. But for ongoing support before or after normal activity, Photizo can become part of a calm home care routine. There are two pet models people purchase, and one of them is the Photizo Vetcare and the other is the silent version Vetcare. The standard Photizo Vetcare has an audible beep, and many pets are fine with that. The Silent Vetcare we brought in because it doesn't have the beep and it suits nervous, anxious, elderly, or sound sensitive, easily startled pets. The right choice depends on your animal. So it's not that one's better than the other, it's just choosing the one that you're most likely to use confidently and the one that your pet is most likely to accept calmly. Again, you know your pet best. Now, Photizo Vetcare is not a magic wand and every pet is different. It shouldn't be used to ignore pain, lameness, or symptoms that need vet care, but it can be a really useful home care tool because it gives you something practical, calm, and non-invasive to do. For pets who need regular support, it helps with pain relief, inflammation, tissue repair, and general comfort. The sessions are short and easy to apply, and it fits into normal home life without becoming complicated. So, can red light therapy support pet recovery? For many pet owners, Photizo Vetcare is a practical part of home care. It may be helpful after these busy days, longer walks, and so forth, for ongoing stiffness, inflammation, or mobility challenges or discomfort. The standard Photizo Vetcare suits most pets very well, and the Silent Vetcare is better if your pet is nervous or sensitive to sound. I'll put the links to both options with the video in the description. If you have any questions, please do get in touch and ask before you buy. I'm very happy to help. Thanks for watching. I hope this has helped you understand how Photizo may fit into a sensible recovery and comfort routine for your pet at home.